Geographic segmentation. Okay, so this refers to segmenting markets by national region, world region. National region is like provinces. Like in South Africa, our national regions include, like Western Cape, Eastern Cape, Northern Cape, and so forth. Then we have the world region, that's like different continents and different countries. Then we have market size. You can segment the market by different sizes. And then density, like where's it most dense? Like usually markets are denser in urban areas, like Cape Town, Joburg, Durban. And then of course climate, like either it's a hot climate or a humid climate or a rainy climate, something like that. So market density is the number of people within a unit of land, such as a province. So it's more dense in certain areas and less dense in others. Okay, this is the density of South Africa. As you can see, the red ones is the very dense settlements. Cape Town has got a little bit of a very dense settlement. It's people who are above 1 million people. And then Gauteng, you can see over there, and also on the Eastern Cape, quite densely populated. The blue is dense, but it's not that dense. It's usually around the cities areas, and then the middle part of South Africa is not very dense. It's quite hot and dry in the middle of South Africa, so not a lot of people like to stay there. Okay, so climate is often used for geographic segmentation because of the dramatic impact on the needs of residents. People who live in different areas have, the climate really impacts what they buy. For example, what would you need in cold, snowy areas? Of course, you would need heaters, you would need jackets, and things like that. So companies would sell in those areas. There we go. Fur coat. What about places where there is a beach? Of course, you would need surfboards and board shorts and all kinds of cool slops and things that you can use on the beach. And obviously in very hot places, you're going to need things like fans and air conditioners and so forth. Okay, so there are 4 reasons why firms take a regional approach to segmentation. It offers them new ways to generate sales if they offer different products in different regions at different times of the year. Computerized checkout scanners will enable them to see which products sell the best in various areas. So, like Pick and Pay, based on what goes through the till, they can see which areas, which things are selling better. So, like closer to the beach, they might have beach balls and beach bats that are for sale. Whereas in the inland areas, they might not have those things for sale because people just don't buy them there. So they can rather offer people things that they want in those areas. They don't want to use their space in their shop to sell things that people don't really use in that area. So some firms are introducing new regional brands to appeal to their local taste. Like KFM is a regional brand. It's a more local radio station which covers the Cape area. And it also allows consumer goods firms to react more quickly to competitors if they know what those competitors are offering in those regions. So marketers like to go to approach marketing with a regional approach. So we'll have a team that works in the Cape area, a team of marketers that works in the Joburg area, and a team of marketers that works in the Durban area, and maybe a team that works like in the inner of South Africa, the bigger part, and so forth. So they can respond differently to different things.